Welcome back to part 5 of the chase of waterfalls in Oregon from the desert in Arizona. Standing here behind me is Three Sisters. It's just west of Bend, Oregon. And we of course, Clifford and I, are on the way to the ocean to hopefully catch the meteor shower tonight over the ocean, which no clouds, hopefully there's no smoke. Let's try to make that happen. All right, let's get this adventure going. An adventure if you can. Man, check out the color of that water. It's lovely here in Oregon. All right, let's keep going. Climbing this like forest road now for, I don't know, 20 minutes. It just keeps going up and up and up. Maybe we'll get lucky and find a clearing and this is where we'll watch the shooting stars from. Meteors, whatever. Maybe. Let's keep looking. Just threw the drone up and took a look around. That was very pretty with the trees, but still not really finding any clearing. I think go up a little bit more in this forest road and see if I can find a clearing before we just keep going. I guess more towards the ocean. All right, let's see what's more to come. So I got to the end of this road I just pulled off of. It was like Forest Road 230, I think. All right, Nash, whatever. There's a bunch of cars here. Not the clearing I was hoping for with, you know, a lake view, but it's not too far. So let's go walk down there and at least take a look before we get out of here. Gordon Lakes Trail. Lots of buzzing around these, I think these are butterfly trees or bushes or whatever. Well, all right. Hike down here to the lake. It's a cute lake. Wasn't that far, maybe like 10 minutes. And definitely too far from Clifford to like want to put the camera up and try to get the shooting, mooning, whatever. Meteors, that's what that is. Meteors tonight. So let's hike back and keep looking for our campsite. Hi, Clifford. All right, Let's go see if we can find that camp. Bust on this forest road. Clifford and I are gonna keep looking for the next campsite. Well, that wasn't too bad for a corner of my eye glance as I was driving by and got to stop and see that and even throw the drone up. Pretty good. I think that counts for a waterfall. All right, let's keep going. I was pretty happy with this national forest, right? Good times. All right, let's keep going. So when you drive around with your house, lunch is ready when you want. Let's have a sandwich. Yeah, I can't believe it either that this is all still Oregon with all these different landscapes. Let's see what landscape is next in about an hour. All right, we are almost there, about 15 minutes. I'm very excited. I have not seen the Oregon Ocean in at least a year. Let's go. So what'd you think of that? Pretty cool, huh? So hopefully we can stay here overnight and do the meteor shower. Saw a park ranger drove by. I'm gonna ask him because I saw no camping, but is this camping? I don't know. All right, and then till then, let's go check out these rocks. right, not too bad, I think. Let's go explore some more, huh? All right, so I just talked to the ranger. He said it's kind of a gray area with a camper. Usually got to be off the beach by 10, but I told him I was trying to record the meteor shower tonight. He said, yeah, they might be pretty understanding. Just set the camper up a little later, and you should be good to go. So, hey, awesome. All right, let's go explore a little bit more before it gets late. Clifford's in temporary setup with just the internet to hang out. Waiting for nightfall to get fully set up. That's what the ranger suggested. We're just recording the sunset for now and hanging out. Alright. So, windy, beachside sunset dinner. It's about that time to put it up on the roof and I guess to stay there till morning. So either I'll show you guys an amazing meteor show and then me, or a little bit and then we had to move. Let's see what happens. Wish us luck. See you guys soon or in the morning. We'll find out. So when I picked this spot, you know, I was thinking it was for the stars, right? So I got it all set up, and like right as the sun is setting, these cars come down here with these young folks, and 2 cars and an LX, sorry, GX, a GX, Lexus GX, off-road, right? But the other car is like a BMW, so they totally get stuck in the sand. And I sit here and I watch and I wait and offer help for a good hour while they're trying to get this thing out of the sand with the GX. Finally, I just said, look, I'll give them like a tow cable to try and like all this stuff, and they were just suffering. So finally, I'm like, all right, I'll just get with the truck. So I packed the truck down, you know, I put this Starlink away, drive over there, tow them both out. And now they're on the way all the way back where he's towing the BMW with my tow cable. They're going to drive it all the way back down here to me. But we never know why we're supposed to be at a certain place. Like, I really thought I was here for the stars. Like, when I was driving over here, I was going to pick this other spot, and then I got this thought like, oh no, I should go to this beach I've been to before. Here I am, I parked down here, and that's why. So with all that, now let's put this back on there and see if we can get some stars. Now I got stuck trying to help, so we're gonna try to pull me out. Woohoo! That was fun. So I'm pretty sure there's some stars above us, but we're all kind of stuck in the sand. We're airing down right now to see if that helps. Good times.
Get a bit of tension first?
Yeah.
So I want to see how
it goes. Okay. Back to our regularly scheduled program of trying to find some meteors to check out. Man, it's so weird. It's so weird to be in the right place at the right time. All right, so let's go find parking again. Morning. I think the meteor shower came out pretty well, After moving multiple times. I definitely like the location I had earlier better, but hey, you know, I'm glad I got to help those folks instead. And I still got some meteors. All right, let's get some breakfast going on. Pretty hungry. And then have a chill day on the beach, and we'll see what's next. You know, reverse pressure is pretty fun. So I think I got this yogurt probably at higher elevation. I think I got maybe like 4,000 feet, and you know, at 25 now. Sucked in a little bit. Well, all right. It's been a pretty lazy Sunday here on the beach. Just kind of like chilling. Oh, I did work on part 3 of this story, so that got uploaded today. So hey, this is when I did that. I didn't show you, but I did it then. I'm gonna make myself a very sophisticated lunch over here, you know, a sandwich and chips. And then I think I'm gonna go hike up that big sand dune and take a look. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, and break camp, because I have to drive down there because I'm not where I was anymore. Let's go. All right, let's go check out those sand hill thing. Maybe what's beyond it. Let's go. Let's go climb this sand dune. This sand is really soft. Steep, but soft. Chill here for a minute. Walk Welcome back to Clifford. We get to go back up. Clifford. All right, back at Clifford. That was a nice, definitely long walk. That was like an hour and 15 minutes. Longer than I thought it was going to be, but it was still very awesome. I'm glad I walked over there. Since it's so late in the day, I think I'm just trying to stay here overnight one more night. So let's go move this thing for one more camp, hopefully meteor shot. Rescue some people on the beach, try to get some meteors, and that video was just not very good, so hopefully it won't get me off the beach again tonight, and I'm going to try one more time and also try to get this really great sun set behind me, and I'll show all that to you in the next episode. Talk to y'all then.